Welcome, guys, to the AI Breakfast Lab. My name is Ed Garza. We are here live Monday through Friday, and we are here streaming live on YouTube. So if you're on our YouTube channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and that bell so that you can stay tuned to what we're doing anytime we go live. Sometimes we go live in secret and drop some bombs on you, yeah, some good tips and strategies just because we want to produce content so you can always stay up to speed. And we can put our YouTube is simply Momentum Tech AI. So Momentum Tech AI is our YouTube channel. So you can follow us there and subscribe there. Okay. Thank you guys for joining us on the AI Breakfast Lab. Looks like we have our OGs in the house, and we appreciate you guys being here. So let's get rocking and rolling this morning. We're going to get use AI to do something special this morning. Let's go to our presentation. Our formula is and always will be the demo method. This is our core teaching formula. Discover a problem, explore a tool, one or two. After we find the problem, usually we try to find a big problem like, that businesses have. Maybe we solve one of our problems that we want to fix, right? Then we explore the tool or tools or set of tools and we make something. We build the asset, we organize, we structure, and then we produce the outcome. And then we look at the results together. That's what we do. Right? That's the Breakfast Lab core teaching formula. Our learning formula is the OODA loop. You want to observe and orient yourself with what we're doing, and hopefully, our goal at the end of the Breakfast Lab, you'll make a decision. That's the goal. And then you'll take action. That's a full OODA loop. This is not something we came up with. This is a military term, but it works great for learning. So the learning process and formula for the Momentum Tech AI Breakfast Lab is just this. It's an OODA. You don't want to be an OO, you don't want to be a duh, you don't want to be a OOD, right? You want to be a OODA on every project. So we're going to go through a full OODA cycle here this morning in a loop. You're going to observe, orient, you're going to hopefully you'll make a decision and then you'll take action to use the tools. If you're a new person here, maybe you'll take action by just looking at more in depth of our tools. The closer you look at Momentum Tech, the better we look. We're the gold standard of AI technology. And we solve a lot of problems when it comes to getting projects done. Your digital footprint is huge if you're an entrepreneur, an author, a nonprofit, a holistic professional, an insurance broker, a consultant, whatever you type of business you have. There are billions and millions of businesses globally. Your digital footprint of most entrepreneurs is just broken. I mean, most entrepreneurs struggle to show up online consistently. They don't have the time, they don't have the team, they don't have the systems. So what happens? Their content is scattered and unfinished. The result? They stay invisible. Most people don't have the marketing problem. They don't have a marketing problem. They have a bandwidth problem, really, right? So now things have changed. One person has full power. If you haven't noticed, AI changes everything. Now you can write content. You don't need a copywriting department. You don't need graphic designers necessarily. You don't need a video marketing department. You don't need someone to help you build products or assets or product development. You can launch faster. One person can do the work of many people. Well, with one person, AI is now more powerful than a full team just a few years ago, which is incredible. You can go from chaos to control. When AI is used correctly, everything connects, everything flows, everything works together. You become visible, you become consistent, you become dominant. We're not just creating content, we're building a digital machine that works for you. So let's get started. Let's organize a little bit today because we've been working on a lot of things and I want to bring it home to you today. First thing we're going to do, we wrote some articles, and these are generic articles for the AI Apprentice certification that I am going to give to all of you that are here. First and foremost, you'll be the first one to get it. And these are LinkedIn articles. What you want to do is you can use these. You can actually reword these too. You can put this inside the Wow GPT inside of our platform. which is over here. And in the Wild GPT, you could just upload a file, right? On any of our GPTs, you could upload a file. See with this plus sign? And you could tell it to rewrite these blogs to be different. That's what I would do. Okay. These are rewritten from what I did. I had them rewritten for to be different. All right. Already. You all don't want to be pasting the same article. Make them your own. Maybe this is going to job seekers. Maybe you don't want job seekers. Maybe you want realtors. Maybe you want builders, or you want car salesmen or auto dealerships, right? And maybe you want to focus on different things. And then you put your URL here to your AI apprentice certification. So let me PDF this for you guys. Or I'll just keep it in Word. Makes it easier for you guys to make a copy and make it your own, doesn't it? All right, let's just copy that link. Yeah. All right. Let me put this in the chat so that everybody can see it here. If you're watching this on YouTube and you want these LinkedIn articles that we wrote in the AI Breakfast Lab, you need to become a part of our community in the AI community in Mo's Club, the Momentum Tech AI platform. That's where you get a lot of these resources that we build on our platform. But if you're here live, you happen to get it yourself. So that's the first thing I wanted to do for you to organize that. Then now I wanted to go and we're going to clean some stuff up here that we did a couple days ago. We're going to work on a kind of a smorgasbord today. We're going to create, we're going to go and we're going to edit some of the magic videos that we did the other day. So we did a couple of magic videos here. Let's look at this one here that we did.
Let me ask you something. Are you using AI to grow your business or getting left behind? AI is changing marketing, sales content, and automation faster than ever. Most people are still trying to figure it out while early adopters race ahead. That's why we're hosting the Momentum Tech AI Summit live in West Nashville on April 18th. It's a free hands-on event where you'll learn step-by-step how to use AI in your business. We'll show you how to generate qualified leads on demand, how to create high-impact content in minutes, not days, how to move faster and smarter than your competition with practical workflows. No fluff, no theory, just real implementation you can use the same day. It's happening from 10:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central at Music City Work Club, and spots are limited. Go right now to MomentumTechSummit.com, register, and bring someone with you. AI isn't the future. It's happening now, so the question is, are you ready?
Excellent. So let's work on editing that, okay? So all we do is click on the edit button here. This is the Magic Video app, and we have a tutorial here as well for it. So let's go ahead and go and click on edit. So once you go into the edit setting, you can go into the advanced setting and you can edit anything you'd like the voice or, the music, the volume, the caption positioning, the transcript color is red, the landscape, the font type. You could go in and you could edit this. So that's okay. But let's go ahead and download that image. We're going to download it, and we're going to do some work here. I'm going to show you some cool stuff here this morning. Open up another window, and let's go to our image tools. And in our image tools, we have an AI image editor right here. Just click on the image editor. And all we do is we take in the image that we just did. And let's find it here. And we just drag it right here. And then we upload the image. Now we can take this and we can click on it. They close this folder over here, so it's out of our way. Okay, there you go. Then once we click on the image, we just click on these three dots and you click on edit. See that? Edit. So click on edit. Now it's going to go into the editor. I want to still use this image, but this is cool, right? I like it. However, I would like to add our logo to this. So how do we do that? We go to the sticker over here on the left-hand side, sticker, and you select an image right here, down here. Let's select an image. Let's go to my desktop and let's look for Momentum Tech logo. Okay, there's the white logo, Momentum Tech. There we go. It's the Magic Kids logo. There we go. Okay. Momentum Tech. Gotta find it here. Momentum Tech. There we go. There it is. Open. Now there it is. Now I want to hold the shift key down on my keyboard. I want to hold the shift key down on my keyboard. And I want to make it a little bit bigger. See how I make it bigger? By holding my shift key down and make it a little bit bigger. Now I want to move it over here. And now I want to rotate it. See this little anchor down here? Just hold it and rotate it. And then drag it up. What do you guys think of that? Pretty cool, huh? All right. So that makes it a little bit more custom to ours, right? Um, April 18th. Okay. And let's see here. What else can we do? Let's I think that's good enough. You know what we could do? We could probably put a border around it. I'm not going to do that. Let's look at some filters. Maybe we could change it a little bit. I like kind of the gray and black, but let's go ahead and change. Let's do some vignette on it. And we're going to make it a little bit lighter. How about that? Just a little bit. So we can go all the way, but I don't want to go all the way, but let's just go a little bit right there. Perfect. And then you click on done. Now that's done. Let's go ahead and download it. So we just download it. Perfect. Now we can go back to here. And now we can upload new media. Let me find that media here, see what it was. It's in my downloads, download 6. Let me put it on my desktop so I can easily find it. So I upload new media right here. And I go to my desktop and I look for that media there. So download. There it is right there. Now I upload it. Now look at to view it. There it is. See? So there it is. Done. So let me ask you something. Are you using AI to grow your business or getting left behind? See. Hey, Nashville. Let me ask you something. There you go. So this way, how you can edit it, right? So that's what I'm doing. We're going to spend some time doing this to show you guys how to do this, all right? Now here's another image. Let's go ahead and download this. I like this image. Or better yet, let me see here. I have an image that I can, a real image that I can use. Let me see if I can find it on my phone. And let's just see here. So you could take images from your phone, right? albums or whatever you have. You can create really cool images. And it can be custom images that you do. So here's a good one here. I think that'll work. Let me send this to me in WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do on this one, now I kind of like this image. Let's look at it because I could easily, this kind of is cool. I could put logos here, lighten it up a little bit, erase this and put our logo there. It would be kind of cool stuff, right? This would be like a really cool image that I can use. You own it. It actually produced it for you. So I could download this media and save it for later and put it in a folder of like images, image folder on your desktop. This is a good way to do it to leverage your time. All right. So let me open up my WhatsApp here on my other window. Let me get that image and we'll upload that image here that I just got from my phone. I use WhatsApp a lot to transfer information to my computer from my phone. Just a good resource. Maybe that works for you, maybe it doesn't. But it works for me. So let's download this image and let's put it on a desktop. And let's upload a new image to here. Okay, and then let's look for that image here. There it is. Excellent. This is actually me speaking at an event on stage in Las Vegas, Nevada. That should be okay. Actually, let's take that image. Let's make sure it's a full video length so it doesn't look weird. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to do like a YouTube thumbnail because that's the same size that I want to do. I'm just going to do it in here. This is excellent. So let's just do type signs, type, type. Okay. Let's do here. Just upload an image. And it was a WhatsApp image. We want the crowd. We don't need this. We can go up a little bit here. There we go. How's that? That looks good. Now we got full width on that. And we'll call this Ed on Stage Hollywood. Money. So money shot. A money shot. Whenever you're on stage, it's a good idea to have people take pictures because that picture can help make you some money, right? I was in front of a lot of people speaking, so it's a good chance to capture that moment. So I had a friend capture that moment for me while I was there. So let's just download that picture. We're going to do number 3. Download that. Let's go back in here. And I'm going to upload a really image. Now, this is where you could really kind of, you could charge a business to create a really good image for them if they have real photos, like maybe a open house, maybe for a realtor, right? If they have custom images or a speaker, you can create a really cool video here. So let's just go ahead and upload new media. Matter of fact, let's do something a little different. Let's just do this. Yeah, upload new media. And you can upload little clips of videos too. 3 seconds, 5 seconds also. So it can handle both. So this is called EDS. So let's look for ED, ED. It's money shot. There it is. There we go. Now it's going to be the full width, right? That's what we wanted. Excellent. All right, most people are trying to figure it out while early adopters race ahead with speed. Giving you some valuable training here for those of us that are OGs so you guys can how to do this, right? And what I do to create things. So most people are still trying to figure it out while other adults are racing ahead with speed. Okay. So this, I want something with somebody racing ahead with speed, right? So let's create an image here for that. And well, another way you could do it, you could just say regenerate. So let's see what it does on the regeneration. You don't want to click regenerate on more than one scene at a time. It may clog it up a little bit, it may not work. Let's go to the next one. Or did it create one already? No, it didn't. Okay, this one right here. That's why we're hosting the Momentum Tech AI Summit live in West Nashville on April the 18th. On April 18th. Okay. So this is not a good one here. So we want to have a picture. Don't we have pictures of us at Music City? I know we do. Do you have some on your phone? You could WhatsApp me. Yeah, you have some, right? Once you get some of the, once you send that to me to WhatsApp, and we'll use that as a scene. See, anytime you could use like real pictures in here, it's really good, right? So you want to do that. Now we're looking for speed here, right? Let me see if I can figure out a good image for speed. Well, let's do this. Let's have fun here. Let's add it, add something, and let's go to elements. And well, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll say, since you say AI speed, I'm searching right inside Canva. Sometimes I'll do this too. Maybe you need an image or something to really, you could generate one in AI, we could do that, but this is another thing that I do. I want videos, AI speed, right? So we could look here.
You want the last time or do you want this time?
Whichever one you could find a better one of would be great.
One with all three of you guys.
Yeah, that'd be great. Perfect. Let's choose one here that we like. Okay, make that big. And then let's control the length of it. So how did I do that? I clicked here and see a little 10:4 here. I don't want it too long, so I could just drag this over like right here to like maybe 2.7 seconds. Okay. And then I could just call this AI speed. And I could here download. And I could download. I want to do an MP4. Let's just do a little, maybe 720 is fine, is good enough. 720 is good enough. And download that little clip of video. It's only a few seconds. Okay. And Jeanette sent me a photo also of us on stage. And let's go ahead and go to here, right here. Let's download this one. So we're creating imagery for this video, right? Here's another one here that Jeanette just sent me. Okay. Excellent. And we'll just say Music City. Share, download that one. Page 5.
Okay, I found this on the web for download one page 5. Check it out.
All right. And let's go back now to the Magic Video app. Okay, so let's use the one that we just downloaded. Let's see the image that we downloaded on WhatsApp. Desktop. Thumbnail. Okay, so let's create a. Oh, look what it did. Well, so I was trying to figure out, but early adopters are still moving ahead with speed. Let's see what it did. Okay, okay. Still figuring it out. We can edit that AI. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's something I never use. All right. I already have a video clip for this. So I'm going to show you guys this. So let's go here. Let's just do, what's it called? City, so on the bottom. What was it called? Copy. Okay, it's called copy. Okay, so let's upload that media. Copy. There it is. Is that it? No, it wasn't. Maybe I downloaded the wrong thing. So let's go back here. And I want Music City. See Music City? No, Music City. So download. No, I didn't want that. Let's download and let's find the right one here. Yeah, Music City. Okay, download. No, I didn't do that. Just did all of them. Okay, I'll figure this out here in a moment. This was just an image, right? That's probably why. I'm trying to download a video. So let's do an image. JPEG. Music City. Download. Okay, that's what I have a problem with. Okay, now it's Music City. Desktop. So we do have a video for this one we downloaded, right? Let's see here. Where's that image video we did? I'm working with AI. Tell you what, let's go back to the home. Let's create. Let's create a video. And let's look at elements. And here we go. Recently used. Just point that right there. I'm going to edit that down to like maybe 2 seconds or 2.3 seconds. And then, you know what? Let's just have some fun. And let's upload our logo here. And then let's animate that. Maybe make it like, there we go. That looks cool, right? All right. Now let's go ahead and go AI speed. Is this valuable? Do you guys like this? Is this helping you guys a little bit? Okay, so let's download that. Here's the video tool. Speed, right? That's what I wanted there. That's desktop. I upload media. And let's go to AI speed. There it is. There it is. This will be the video clip. Cool, right? All right. Little movement in the video itself. We already have this one here. Let's upload. Yeah, we got that one here. Okay, I think we're looking good here. Well, this is the one we wanted to do here, right? So let's upload a new media. We already have an image for this. I think it's called Music City. Let's see, did I put it on the desktop? Music City, yeah, I put it on the desktop. So let's upload new media. Let's just type in music. There it is. Upload. Excellent. Now, another thing I could do is I create another video and I could upload Music City. There it is right there. The imagery. Put that up here. Okay. Excellent. And then I could actually add some, I can animate this a little bit if I wanted to. Let's just see if we like something here. That looks kind of funky. There you go. That would look cool, right? So let's just say music city. Download MP4. It's not a big file. There's a limit on the size of the videos you can upload. So instead of just a still image, I'm going to upload a video. Music City. There it is. Perfect. Now, if you have a video and you want to use the audio from the video, you can remove this and use the audio from the video. Maybe you record yourself. Join me at West Nashville on April 18th. Reserve your seat. Maybe I do a video and you can put that clip in there, right? Problem with you have though is that you may have some different variations of the actual app itself. Okay, so let's keep going down here. We're doing custom stuff here, fun stuff. Now let's look at this one here. Let's see, did I do all these? Yeah, that's that right there. That's perfect. Oh, I did two of these, right? I'm trying to see here. No, I just did one, right? Okay. All right. Let me use this. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, let's change this one here. What's this? Hands-on event. What's this? Okay, a free hands-on event. Let's refresh that one. Let's try refresh and see if we get AI to do something for us. We'll show you how to generate qualified leads on demand. Okay. Let's copy that. And let's see what we can create over here. Let's go down a little bit. Let's see what we got here. This one, how to create high impact content in minutes. Okay, let's look. How's that one look? Definitely needs some help. Okay, so we got a few more images that we need to create. No fluff. Let's look at this one. Kind of like that one. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's look at the other ones here, see if we can wait on that one to regenerate. Okay, so we got to fix this, of course. Momentum Tech AI Summit.com. And let's look at this. Cool. Mm-hmm. Let's download this one. Let's take it in the image editor. It's pretty simple to show you guys one more time. Just drag it right here. Upload image. Click it here. Open it. Hit the three dots. Edit. Let's go ahead and do our sticker. Upload the sticker. Select it. And we're looking for the Momentum Tech white logo this time. There it is right there. We hit open. Don't forget to hold the shift key down. Wada boom. I don't want it too big. Right there. Throw it up here. Let's put that on the top. Move it like that. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Love it, love it, love it. Click on done. Okay. And then let's click on download. Let's download high PNG. Now let's come into the platform and let's go to our image tools or move our video tools. Let's do our video tools. And we're going to go to the video clip creator. And we're going to we're going to put this image in here that we just made. There it is, see? And we're going to give it this cost credits to do it, 150 credits. I'm just showing you different ways to do things here. I'd like for you to animate this and have the people collaborating with the AI board. Simple animation. Don't get too radical. Just slow movement. Let's generate. So that's going to generate based on my prompt, a little bit of motion for our video. Let's see what it generated here for some of the other videos. Let's look at all the other ones here. See, we're doing good. So we got April 18th. Yes, yes, yes. So we're working on this one here. Okay, it's got to change. That did look good. So, okay. Qualified leads. I have a good one for this. I'm going to put it here right now. We'll wait for this video clip creator. Almost done. It takes a few minutes. And let's go over here. And let's remove that. And let's take an image here. Qualified leads. And let's add some animation to it. Perfect. Share, download, download, little clip. Let's see what the image creator did. Still working on it. Okay, so qualified leads, that's what that's for. So let's go ahead and upload that little clip to that. Okay, so we upload that media. And then we're looking for AI speed 2. There it is. What a boom. Cool, right? Awesome, awesome sauce. Let's see what it did for the clip creator. Almost done. See what we did on that one. All right, hands-on event. Okay, we're almost done. This takes a little bit of time, as you can see. The more you work it, the better, right? Especially if you charge, maybe you could probably charge somebody, 200, 300, $400 for a custom video like this easily. You can create it for them. That's arbitrage, right? Cost you 22 cents, 30 cents. You're making some money. Yeah? All right. So let's create another video here. And we're just going to do AI here as the close one. Well, you know what? I got a really cool one here. Let's just do this. I got a really cool video here. We can put that on the back end. Let's look at video. It's clipped. Okay. Let's turn, we don't need volume on that. We'll download that one. Take that here. And we'll put that on the back end, right? Yeah, that's where that's gonna look good. That made me smile. That was cool stuff right there. All right, so we're gonna call that. It's downloading right now, so it takes a little bit to download. Let's see, download. There we go. Download. Yeah. Okay, we'll upload that. Okay, register. Where are you registered? Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, let's see if we animated that. There we go. Let's look at it. Cool. Let's download that. Our AI platform did that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. We're going to upload this one. And it's called, it starts with a 7, so it's right up here. Here it is right here. Okay. All right, so we got to change a few more images. I could change a few more. Let's just look here. I think we're ready here almost. So boom, step by step. Okay. Okay, so we need a step by step image. So step by step. To learn AI. Okay. Show you how to get qualified leads. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. We got to change a few things here. So how many images do we have left to change? So we need one, we need two, three, and four. We need four images. Okay. Faster. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do it. Fast. I'm doing this for speed for you guys. Fast AI. Okay. Okay. All right, there's one. Let's look at another one here that I could find. That looks cool, doesn't it? Let's speed that up a little bit. Let's do the clip. Make it about two, 2 seconds or so. Three seconds. Okay. Download that one. That one looks really cool. And this one looks really cool. No, I don't like that. Yep, there you go. Let's do speed. Let's speed that up. Let's reduce the time. 3 seconds. Let's download that. All right, so we got 3 clips there we could use. So I'll put those on my desktop. And let's use these clips. All right, here, moving faster than your competitor. Let's upload this media. And we call those, what do we call those? AI clips. Yeah, coming. Let's see which one we like for that one. Yeah, that's good. Okay, no fluff. Let's try this one here. I don't think I need to change that one. I think that one's good. Register now. This one here. High impact content in minutes. High impact content in minutes. There we go. That's a good one there. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Now let's see, there was one more we needed here. This one here. Upload media. There we go. Excellent. Okay, I think we're good to go. Everything's customized here. Let's look at this one here. Yeah, that's fine. That works. It's good enough. Cool. Love it. Register now. Awesome. Let's regenerate 22 cents. That's it. Taking it to the finish line. It takes a little time, and I don't think we've ever done anything like this on the AI Breakfast Lab where we can show you how you can customize a Magic Video app and produce a video like this that is really good. Custom imagery. I use some Canva templates and little clips that I could find. I used our image creator in our platform to animate an image. I used our image editor to solve the problem quickly and to create a video that would probably take some time to do. But again, utilizing AI, I was able to show you step by step, right? Normally Jeanette watches me do these really fast. So I slow down with you guys a little bit on the AI Breakfast Lab so I could at least show you the process of how to edit a video, right? And that's the cool thing about it. That's what you could do in our platform. Now, we have a little bit of time left. So we have these um, articles, right, that we did for LinkedIn. So let's go to our Wow GPT and let's create some social media for these LinkedIn articles that I wrote with you. So let's go back right here. And let's go ahead and download again. I don't know where it went. Let's go to the WowGPT. It's called Team AI. I'll throw that to desktop. Here's how you do it. I'm going to upload these final blogs. You could do a fresh GPT on Ask Ed, Ghostwriter, WowGPT. Upload them. So it's called Team. So let's look for the team. You're here somewhere. QRST. There we are. See, those are the Team AI Apprentice links. There's a PDF. You upload it and give it a simple prompt. These are the final 10 articles that we're putting on LinkedIn for the AI Apprentice certification. Do me a favor and craft up 10 unique social posts with hashtags to promote these articles. I need the social posts to be AI magnets, so they need to be discovered by AI technology. You know how to do that, so let's craft these unique social posts. Don't just do bulleted lists. Design something that can be found by AI on each of these social posts. You could also say, rewrite them for me. Use a more persuasive tone and um, write in these 10 vertical markets that I give you. Maybe you want to change the vertical markets. You have this file, I gave it to you. So that's ways you could do it. Let's look at the Magic Video app. It's done. You want to watch it? I'm excited. I want to watch it. Let's watch it.
Hey Nashville, let me ask you something. Are you using AI to grow your business or getting left behind? AI is changing marketing, sales content, and automation faster than ever. Most people are still trying to figure it out while early adopters race ahead with speed. That's why we're hosting the Momentum Tech AI Summit Live in West Nashville on April 18th. It's a free hands-on event where you'll learn step-by-step how to use AI in your business. We'll show you how to generate qualified leads on demand, how to create high-impact content in minutes, not days, how to move faster and smarter than your competition with practical workflows. No fluff, no theory, just real implementation you can use the same day. It's happening from 10:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central at Music City Work Club, and spots are limited. Go right now to MomentumTechAISummit.com, register, and bring someone with you. AI isn't the future, it's happening now, so the question is, are you ready? Register now.
Perfect. Now I'm going to edit this one more time because I'm just going to say register now. I don't need to say AISummit.com. Right?
It says April 18th is on a Friday, it's actually Saturday, so
Yeah, I didn't say Friday.
they're saying April 18th is a Friday. You know, no, April 18th is a Saturday.
I don't know what you got, what calendar you guys are looking on. April 18th is a Saturday, guys. Okay, register and bring someone with you. You see, AI is here, and live in Nashville. Register and register now. Yeah, and bring someone with you. Okay, excellent. That's one thing I wanted to change. So let's go ahead and regenerate. Let's go to Wild GPT. All right, here we go. Here's the 10 posts. Excellent. Yeah, you just put your link. You're good to go. So you guys want these?
Oh, they're saying that on the slide it says Friday, not Saturday.
No, it does. Let's look at that. On the slide, on the image, on an image. Oh, okay. Yeah, we could change that. Yeah. Again, I showed you how to edit, so you could edit. This is a lab, so I will go in and I will edit even more, right? Once the video is done. I'll make it even more perfect. We just don't have time to do that, right? We'll do some real cool stuff with it. Cool. So that shows you some editing skills there, which I'm pretty sure you guys would, appreciate the video to rewatch it. So it would help you a lot in posting and editing that video. Let me ask you guys, was that helpful to you guys on the editing of the video, or are we going to be, yeah, was that helpful to you guys? Good. Put a 5 in the chat if that was helpful. Yes. Good. Okay. Excellent. Very helpful. Awesome. Yeah. Good. Let me give you these LinkedIn articles. I mean, these posts here. Um, they're here right here. So let's just do a new folder, new document. And these are the posts that are attached to these, all 10 articles. Social for articles. So they kind of go hand in hand. So you can upload 2 documents and you can have it create different articles for you. You can upload 2 documents, right? And you can upload, when you upload those 2, it you could train a GPT just on these things alone. Cool. All right, here's our social articles for everybody.
I have a question.
Okay, there's the social articles. So I downloaded those for you guys. Also, I think I wanted to share them with you really because that's the best way. So viewer, copy link. There's the link. Cool. There's a link to the social post. Those tie together to each article. So you could take both of those documents and you could upload them to a GPT and create your own. Saves you a ton of time, right? Saves you a ton of time. So, by the way, have you guys seen the new dashboard? Look at this. Click the less than symbol right there. Easy. That's what everybody's been asking for, so I did it. You like that? Does that make it easy now? Guide you right here. There's 2 of them there, right here. Yeah, and then we have watch the video here as well. Welcome to our AI platform. And then we have a certification here too. You can go through the certification, right? You can go through all the training. We're going to add more questions to them. I think we're on the image training. So Jeanette and I are going to work on well, it's already there. Yeah. So you can take the exam and there's questions here that you go through on each one, right? And you answer the questions. And then when you're finished, you could get your AI apps mastery certification. Cool stuff. So what was the question? We had some questions here live today. What was that?
Are you using AI editor and how long they indicate the videos could be?
The short videos for each clip and section, it could be 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, maybe good. If you go over, you just don't want to be over 100 megabytes on your video clip.
Are you
Okay.
using
Yeah, I was using the AI editor to add our logo to some of the images, and I even created the AI open, the animated picture where we animated those people looking on the screen, where they were kind of a light, subtle animation is what the prompt that I gave it, and it gave it a subtle movement, right? It wasn't a big animation, I wanted them to look excited, but more business professional. Obviously, they're in a room in business. They're not going to be jumping up and down on their heads and toes, right? So I didn't want it to be like massive animation. I wanted it to be subtle. So that's why I used that prompt in the platform. So let me see here. Where is the video? So here's the video here. It's done. So let's see, which is the one that said the 20. Oh, I had it on Friday here. This one here? Oh, okay. I got you, got you, got you. Yeah, yeah, we could change that. Yeah. So we can go back in the image editors here. Watch this. We can go back in the images under video, under image creation, and we can go back into the image editor. It's saved here, so we can come up in here. We can open that, and we can come in here. And we can edit again. Okay, and we can come in here and we can erase that. You want to see how to erase it? AI retouch, magic remove, make it small, make it even smaller, make it even smaller. There we go. Takes a little steady hand. You can come around here. Huh?
That is 411 and
Yeah, yeah. Let's just erase it all. There we go. And then we could even say, let's erase this. And then now we have a blank palette, right? What do you want to do with it, right? We could do anything with it because you could write up text in here. So you could do annotate and you could write text. You could do Sharpie if you wanted to, and black. And you just come right here. And you got a little Sharpie. You could just, obviously, you don't want to do a Sharpie, but you understand. You could do lines, you could do rectangles. So I could do an ellipse. I could do eclipse and I can make it black. And I could make the eclipse like this. And I could turn it like that. Right? Something like that. And then I could add text here. I can make the text white. And I could put the text right here. Let's just do text white. Text. Font size medium. Text. There you go. And I could say April 18th.
oh,
And then I could make this a little bit smaller. There you go. And I could take this right here, drag it up here, rotate it, put it right there. I could change the font type, old style. I could change it to bold. All right, could make it maybe a little bit bigger. Let's see if I could do a little bit bigger. If you do bigger, you got to do this. Maybe I could do that. Okay, so if I did that, right, make it a little bit bigger, I got to make this bigger.
yeah.
There you go. See? Yeah. So see what I mean? You can do whatever you want. So then I'll just upload the logo here. So we go sticker. And I just upload the logo, the white logo for Momentum Tech. And there it is. Upload. Drag it over here. Shift. Make it bigger. Rotate. Over there. And I could say, very good. There you go. Yep. And I could say done. And then you go, there it is. And then just download it. JPEG. And take it to the movie creator, right? On the audio and upload it on that slide. That's all you got to do. And it saves all of them here. See all this right here? This is all of your images and variations, right? See, there's the two variations, one with it, one without it. Yeah. Same with this one. This is like one there. There's another one. There's another one. Yeah. So all your renditions are saved here. Okay. Cool. All right, guys. Thank you for being here. AI Breakfast Lab. You guys are the best. Make it a great time. The new dashboard, you get the new dashboard only after you subscribe for the 30. That's right. This is a club. You are in a club. So this is the Mo's Club. You get a lot of benefits now. We're adding a lot of different uh, attributes to the AI platform. Matter of fact, we're launching this weekend, or maybe today, a new 22 video masterclass on Vibe marketing, only available when you're a $39 subscriber. That's what you're getting with the Momentum Tech Club, $39 platform. And it'll teach you all about marketing, psychology behind it, the emotional triggers, buying signals. It's absolutely fantastic. Let's stop streaming right now.